Yo, what's good, my people? Que lo que, mi gente? Damn, it's been a fat minute, yo. I haven't posted in 9 months, almost a whole year. Holy. All right, I'm gonna try to get back on that YouTube grind and posting a lot more because I've only posted 3 videos, but those 3 videos were pretty consistent for me. But yeah, today's video, I finally invested in a GoPro, like I said I was going to be. So as you could assume, today's video is POV on Supercar Saturday. I pulled up with my boy Jacob, who's also a photographer, super dope. We had a blast. It was his first time going. He said he loved it. He said he wants to go every Supercar Saturday event now. And yeah, super excited for that. It was fun. A lot of dope cars, man. A lot of dope cars, bro. There's a lot of cars that I every time I go to Supercar Saturday, I see a new car, brand new car I've never seen before. But yeah, this is a POV. Hopefully you guys enjoy this POV. If you do, please let me know. I want to do a lot more POVs. There's this show coming up next weekend. It's from the 15th to the 20th or 23rd, something like that. And I want to hopefully try and go all those days so I could get content for each day, you know, day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. But yeah, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think about the POV, all right? All right. Hope you enjoy the video. We out. Hey, man, say what's up to the people, bro.
Yo. This thing on.
It's so hard to see, bro. And he's old. Let's take a picture of that line over there.
Yeah, one of that North Borden. into 7's business.
Yeah, right into it.
I just had it open my business, so I could find it. It was just looking crazy on my personal life. You know what I mean?
Let me see. Show the camera.
Oh my God, I'm on one right now. Think I got my swagger back. Oh yeah. Sheesh.
Such a perfect car to shoot. It's literally perfect. Yo, who let this car
What the hell?
in, bro?
Yo. That's clean.
Yeah, 101, bro.
EAF1 detailing. EAF1 Quick shout out to Lee, the deal maker in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you made it. Absolutely amazing. Our next event, November 3rd.
Thank you. Ross build, Ross. Like Andrew Tate, is that you? I gotta move ASAP. The Raw?
That was a West Palm.
Not that.
Tomorrow, let's see what I'm doing.
It's in the route. The route, city place the route.
What the hell?
Whoa, what the fuck? What is that? Back of my head. Why does it look like that?
Yo, that looks hilarious, bro.
What's wrong with my head? It looks funny.
Oh, dude. I'm a lab at a bit.